Ang susunod na programa ay rated PG. Ito ay nangangailangan ng patnubay at gabay ng magulang para sa mga batang manonood.
Authorities insist there is no shortage of supply.
In northern Philippines has left more than 100 people dead.
These past few months, we have heard different views and issues about the Philippine financial status. Many researchers said that the Philippine economy now is going better. Is it the reason why the BSP or Bangko Sentral ng Pilipinas lend a big amount of money to European countries? That the Philippine government lend and help other countries, while here, many people are suffering from poverty and financial crisis? We have interviewed different people to answer this question. How can you describe Philippine financial status? What do you think our government can do to overcome financial crisis? Do you agree to the decision of our Philippine government, and especially the BSP, to lend money to other countries?
Mahirap.
Papaunlad ang Pilipinas. Yan, okay.
Papaunlad. Kailangan maraming negosyo ang ipalaganap na para yung kahirapan mapagtakpan.
Mawala ang graft and corruption ng lubusan.
I-implement yung tuwid na daan at alisin ang graft and corruption. Oo, sang-ayon ako kasi malaking bagay sa Pilipinas yun. Naaangat natin ang bansang Pilipinas.
Ako sang-ayon ako kasi sa tingin ko, ang isang umuunlad na bansa dapat tumulong din sa kapwa bansa na dumadanas ng financial crisis.
Ako sanang-ayon. Dahil kung tayo noon ay nangungutang at lubog sa utang, tayo mga Pilipino ngayon ay proud sa ating gobyerno, sapagkat tayo naman ang magpapautang.
Many questions are not yet answered, and many reasons are not yet given. Many problems are not yet solved. Here, we'll let you speak out and let your voice be heard. Think and say it.
Go!
You must realize the power. Yes, ma'am. I've just read your resume and you stated here that you're graduated from National University. Yes. So, how would you describe yourself? I can describe myself as a hardworking person. I am focused and I can work as a team and can easily cope to stress. What's your greatest weakness? My greatest weakness is being a perfectionist. But now I know how to handle that situation or how to handle my weakness, because now I am trying to understand all things and always remember that nothing is perfect. What's your greatest strength? My greatest strength is my skills. You see, ma'am, I can do anything without it. How will your greatest strength help you perform? Like what I said, mom, I can't do anything without my skills and my abilities. So, if I can do that, my job, if I have a skills, I can direct you. How do you handle stress and pressure? Actually, I see stress and pressure as a challenge because it's not a problem. Because I know that without that challenge, I can be stronger and can much more knowledge for my experience through the challenges. What do you find are the most difficult decisions?
When it is all matter about my life and death.
What has been the greatest disappointment in your life?
I can't remember anything actually because I see failure that is not my disappointment because I believe that it is a challenge for me to give more fight for that.
If you could relive the last 10 years of your life, what would you do different?
I see myself as a hardworking person and managing a company or being promoted at your company.
Okay, we will now discuss today.
Thank you, Mom.